Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a meter name change online. First, you'll need to visit your specific utility provider's official website. Look for a section dedicated to account services or perhaps a direct link for name changes. Before you even begin the application, gather all necessary documents, such as a valid identification and proof of property ownership. This preparation will make the online application much smoother and faster for you. Once you've found the correct section, carefully fill out the online application form. Ensure all fields are completed accurately to avoid delays. Next, upload your required documents, making sure they are in the specified file formats, like PDF or JPEG. Before submitting, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered. This step is crucial for a successful and quick processing of your request. After reviewing, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation message with a unique reference number. Make sure to save this. Typically, you'll get a confirmation email or SMS within 24 hours. If you don't hear back from the utility provider within 5 business days, it's a good idea to follow up with them directly, using your reference number for quick assistance. Before initiating your name change, ensure all outstanding bills associated with the meter are fully paid. The entire process, from application to completion, typically takes about 3 to 7 business days. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day for optimal energy and focus. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you successfully change your meter name online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.